The project affected persons along the 92-kilometer Muyembe Nakapiripirit road, which is at 90% completion, are demanding that government pays their compensation before construction continues from Nemalu Junction to Tokora. They claim they have not been compensated since construction began in 2021. One of the affected persons wrote a notice on a blackboard placed on her land stating that construction should not continue on her land until government pays her compensation.
Next month sounds like default.
This prompted State Minister for Works and Transport, Musa Ecweru, to intervene in the matter during his inspection of the road and the Moroto-Lokitanyala 42-kilometer road, which was completed last November connecting Karamoja with Kenya.
I will personally lead a team of about 2 engineers and somebody from the Minister of Lands, the Government Valuers Office, together with 1 or 2 elders who will come here and talk to her to let her know that we don't promise air.
He noted that the 2 roads are already boosting trade between Uganda and Kenya, as well as local trade, which was previously a challenge.
Access to the market has been a problem. So it means now that the matoke, all that will easily reach market within minutes, within hours. So when we finish this link now between Nakapiripirit and Amuda, we'll have linked that to Kenya, and Kenya has some things that we need, and there are so many things that they also need from Uganda.
Modesta Ajnalong, the RDC, said that opening the roads will reduce the time it takes to transport produce and minerals from Karamoja and will enhance trade within the East African community.
This road is economically viable in a sense that it connects us to the Kenyan side, where it will enable us to have the East African community engagements and trade.